Hi there, my name is Sarah, and I'm here today with iHealthBrokers to bring you the latest in healthcare and health insurance news in less than 1 minute. At iHealthBrokers, we are licensed health insurance brokers, so if you have any questions whatsoever about your health insurance or Medicare coverage, please feel free to send us a message or give us a call at 888-918-0518. There's absolutely no charge for our services, and we are more than happy to help. And of course, make sure to find us on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter at iHealthBrokers. So today, some exciting news with regards to travel. So in the past, airline travel hasn't exactly been known for its hygiene and cleanliness. Most people were really just concerned with finding the cheapest and fastest way to get from point A to point B. But in light of COVID, in light of the pandemic, a recent poll indicates that 60% of Americans are more concerned with hygiene than costs. So in response, of course, the airlines have made some innovations. In fact, there's been use of chemicals sprayed on the seats which prevent viruses and bacteria from growing, the use of UV disinfectants, and even a robot that sweeps through the plane in record time with reaching arms to clean in those crevices. So I don't know about you, I'll probably still be taking a shower as soon as I reach my destination, but at least it's a step in the right direction. If you have any questions about your health insurance, please feel free to send us a message or give us a call at 888-918-0518. There is no charge for our services, and we are more than happy to help. You can also find us on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter at iHealthBrokers. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.